Do you want to zoom in on your videos in CapCut on your PC? Let me show you how to do it step by step. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. First, let's go ahead and open CapCut on our PC and load the project that we want to edit. If you haven't already started a project yet, click New Project and import your video by dragging it into the Media section or by clicking Import. Once your video is in the timeline, click on the video clip you want to zoom into. You'll notice that the video clip will be highlighted and the preview window will show what's currently on the timeline. To zoom in, first click on the video clip in the timeline, then look for the transform option in the toolbar above the preview window. If you don't see it, make sure your video clip is selected. In the transform section, you'll see an option to scale the video. You can either adjust the scale slider or click directly on the video preview window and drag the corners to zoom in. However, if you want to zoom in on a specific area, you can also reposition the video by clicking and dragging it in the preview window to center the area you want to focus on. If you only want the zoom effect to happen for a part of the clip, you can use keyframes. To do this, go to the transform option and click on the keyframe, which is the diamond-shaped button on the side. Then, adjust the scale or position. Move along the timeline to the point where you want the zoom to end, and adjust the scale or position again. CapCut will automatically create the zoom effect between these two keyframes. Once you're happy with the zoom effect, preview the video to make sure everything looks just right. If you're satisfied, you can go ahead and click Export in the top right corner to save your video. And there you have it. That's it. Now you know how to zoom in on your videos in CapCut.